Flood warning in effect until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Areas affected include portions of Massachusetts, including the following counties: Bristol and Norfolk, and Rhode Island, including the following counties: Bristol, Kent, Newport, and Providence. When? Until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts include flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving through the area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence, Woonsocket, Coventry, Cumberland, North Providence, West Warwick, Johnston, North Attleboro, North Kingstown, Attleboro, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Barrington, Swansea, and Seekonk. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Including the following counties: Bronx, Manhattan, and Westchester. When? Until 1:45 a.m. Impacts: flooding along the Bronx River and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is occurring. Numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Expect areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details: at 7:50 p.m., gauge reports indicate flooding along the Bronx River. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include White Plains, Mott Haven, East Tremont, Scarsdale, Bronxville, Mount Vernon, Eastchester, Greenville, Pelham, Woodlawn, Tuckahoe, Hartsdale, and Fordham. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flood warning in effect from late tonight until further notice. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include the Housatonic River at Gaylordsville. When? From late tonight until further notice. Impacts included 8.0 feet, flood stage. Water reaches New Milford Foundry and Young's Field Road. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 7.3 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight and continue rising to a crest of 8.7 feet tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect until late tonight. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Yantic River near Yantic. When? Until late tonight. Impacts include at 9.0 feet, flooding begins along Sturtevant Street. At 9:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 8.5 feet. Thankful stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 9.1 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 9.0 feet on March 3, 1972. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Tuesday afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Pawcatuck River at Westerly. When, from Sunday morning to early Tuesday afternoon. Impacts included 8.0 feet. Flood waters approached lowest lying homes along Hiscox Road in Westerly. Along Route 3, flooding occurs at some homes in French Village in Hopkinton. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 6.3 feet. Thankful stage is 7.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow morning to a crest of 7.8 feet early Monday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Tuesday morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from Sunday morning to Monday morning. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Blackstone River at Woonsocket. When, from Sunday morning to Monday morning. Impacts include at 9.0 feet, flooding may begin to affect the lower parking area to the Highland Falls Apartments. Lower-lying residential areas along the Rhode Island and Massachusetts line, including the lower level of the 148 Vernon St. condominiums in Woonsocket, may begin to experience flooding. Businesses along the river should take the necessary actions to protect property. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 5.4 feet. Thankful stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow morning to a crest of 9.5 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.